Welcome to our video on artificial intelligence art. In this video, we'll be discussing how AI is changing the world of art and showcasing some amazing examples of AI art. We'll explore how AI is being used to create new forms of art, and how it's affecting the art world as a whole. What is AI art? First, let's define what we mean by AI art. AI art refers to any form of art that has been created using artificial intelligence technology. This can include everything from paintings and sculptures to music and poetry. How is AI used in art? Now let's take a look at some of the ways in which AI is being used in art. One of the most common methods is through the use of generative adversarial networks, GANs, which are algorithms that can learn how to create new images by studying existing ones. Another approach is through the use of style transfer, which involves applying the style of one image to another. AI art applications. There are many applications of AI art beyond just creating beautiful images. For example, AI can be used to create art that changes based on real-time data, such as weather patterns or stock market trends. It can also be used to create art that responds to user input, such as interactive installations. Advantages and challenges of AI in art. While AI has the potential to revolutionize the art world, there are also some challenges to consider. One advantage is that AI can help artists to generate new ideas and inspiration. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on human creativity, and the potential for AI-generated art to replace human artists altogether. Ethical considerations. As with any new technology, there are ethical considerations to be addressed when it comes to AI art. For example, who owns the copyright to AI-generated artwork? Should AI-generated art be considered as valuable as human-created art? Future of AI art. So what does the future of AI art look like? We can expect to see even more innovative uses of AI in art, including the development of new tools and techniques. However, it's important to ensure that these advances are made in an ethical and responsible way. Thanks for watching. Thank you for joining us for this exploration of AI art. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the exciting world of AI art. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.